Have you ever wondered what it takes to capture the attention and affection of any woman? Is there a hidden formula, a set of habits that can make you irresistible? Well, get ready because in this video, we reveal the secrets to effortlessly winning over women's hearts. It's time to discover the power within you and master these 5 simple habits that will transform your interactions with the opposite gender. Number 1, develop the abundance mindset towards women. Why limit yourself to just one girl? Don't get caught up in the belief that if you can't have her, you won't have anyone else. That kind of thinking is counterproductive. Instead, realize that countless amazing women are out there waiting to be discovered. By adopting this mindset, your interactions with women will undergo a positive transformation. You'll approach conversations with a relaxed attitude, no longer desperate to win them over. Women can sense the difference, and it's refreshing. They'll take notice when you genuinely focus on getting to know them without ulterior motives. The key is not to view taking someone home as the end goal, but rather to build a connection based on genuine interest and mutual understanding. Remember, if a particular woman isn't interested in you, it's not the end of the world. There are plenty more fish in the sea. It's essential to avoid placing women on a pedestal and obsessing over their validation. Just as women appreciate good companionship, they also value a satisfying relationship on all levels, including sexual. So, recognize your worth rather than focusing solely on seeking their approval. Understand that you have something valuable to offer, a rewarding experience for both parties involved. Number 2, express your feelings with a twist. Here's the deal. Telling a woman you like her directly may not yield the desired results. You might think, why not? She should know how I feel. However, when you express your feelings up front, saying things like, I like you, I enjoy being around you, she might perceive you as just another guy in a sea of admirers. It may sound counterintuitive, but it's the truth. So, here's the secret. Don't explicitly tell her you like her. Most guys make the mistake of approaching a girl and showering her with compliments about her physical appearance. But think about it for a moment. A beautiful woman receives an avalanche of compliments daily in person and through social media. If you want to stand out, you must take a different approach. Instead of focusing on her physical attributes, shift the spotlight to her energy and vibe. Approach her and say, hey, I had to come and talk to you because your energy is incredibly captivating. It drew me in. Trust me, nobody talks about energy like that. Everybody is busy praising her beauty. You'll catch her attention by highlighting her unique energy like others don't. This way, you make her feel special, not just because of her looks, but because of her individuality. I get it. You might feel hesitant because she is undeniably beautiful. But here's the thing. You can compliment a woman without solely focusing on her physical appearance. It's about making her feel appreciated for more than just her looks. She wants to be seen as intelligent, interesting, and multidimensional, even if you know little about her. She doesn't need to hear the same old, "you're beautiful" line again. To truly set yourself apart, find something unique about her and compliment that aspect. You might argue, but she is beautiful. It feels weird not to mention it. I understand. If you were to compliment me on my beauty, I'd appreciate it all day long. But many women won't share the same enthusiasm. They've grown accustomed to such compliments and may view them as just another drop in the bucket. So go the extra mile and give her a compliment that genuinely stands out. Number 3, stop overthinking. It's time to break free from the shackles of overthinking and sabotaging your success with women. You tend to perceive women as elusive and unattainable, making them seem larger than life. Even before approaching them, you're already engulfed in a whirlwind of thoughts, burdening yourself with unnecessary pressure. You question whether she'll like you, if she's already taken, or if you're even worthy of her attention. It's time to put an end to this cycle. Relax. Seriously, what are you doing? You shouldn't give a damn about whether a woman will like you or not. That's not your concern. Instead, be yourself, approach with genuine intentions, and see how things unfold. You're unintentionally manifesting those unfavorable outcomes by bombarding yourself with negative questions. If by chance they happen, you'll reinforce your negative beliefs. It all begins in your mind. Your thoughts shape your reality. So how about this? When you approach a woman, either clear your mind of any preconceived notions or, even better, approach with the mindset that you will win her over. Embrace that confidence within you, radiating energy that exudes self-assurance. Women have a knack for sensing confidence, and when you genuinely don't care if she says yes or no, you become irresistibly attractive. Suddenly, you're not desperate, and that's something women appreciate. Approach confidently. If she rejects your advances, it's her loss because you know your worth. Number 4. Listen to women's actions and not their words. Yes, women have a knack for testing men. It's almost ingrained in their DNA. They'll put you through various challenges to see if you can handle them. They might drop comments like, "I don't usually date," but think about it. Why would she be on a date with you in the first place? She's testing you, my friend. She wants to gauge your confidence and observe how you respond. Whenever you feel like a woman is trying to diminish your value while elevating hers, it's a test. She wants to see if she can provoke a reaction from you. Here's the key. Don't react, don't laugh it off, and certainly don't ignore it. Just acknowledge it and move on. If she hits you with a statement like, "I don't date guys like you," resist the urge to prove yourself. The moment you start trying to prove your worth, you've already lost the test. Instead, respond with a casual, "Oh, all right. Yeah, apparently you're here." Don't go on a desperate mission to convince her why she should date someone like you, listing off all your accomplishments and qualities. That's not the way to go. The moment you succumb to that urge, you've not only failed the test, but you might have also lost her interest. Remember, actions speak louder than words. Pay attention to how a woman behaves and treats you rather than getting entangled in the verbal challenges she throws your way. Number 5. Be comfortable with intimacy. In our society, there exists a perception that women granting you certain favors is the ultimate prize, as if it's something they are bestowing upon you. However, it's important to recognize that intimate moments are mutual experiences and should be viewed as such. It's not solely about receiving. It should be a pleasurable and fulfilling encounter for both parties involved. It's essential to move away from the mindset that intimacy is solely about personal gain and focus on the importance of mutual enjoyment. Remember, it's not just women who may have this perspective. Some individuals of any gender also hold similar beliefs. It's crucial to approach intimate moments with respect, open communication, and a genuine desire to create an enjoyable experience for you and your partner. You can establish a foundation of trust, understanding, and mutual pleasure by fostering a healthy attitude towards intimacy. It's about recognizing that intimate connections are shared experiences where both individuals should feel comfortable, respected, and fulfilled. So, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button to stay updated and be a part of something special. Until next time, take care and keep spreading positivity.